think sexual education is anywhere close to important in our curriculum. हाम्रोमा के भन्छ मलाई याद छ टेक्स्ट बुकमा एउटा च्याप्टर हुन्छ रिप्रोडक्टिभ अर्गन्स एन्ड दिस एन्ड द्याट भनेर एन्ड द टिचर जस्ट स्किप्स इट के
Exactly.
he just because he's ashamed के अनि त्यसपछि we grow up अनि we don't know what sex is. We don't know. We can't ask our parents. We don't have that society where you can go and ask your
We are
parents.
scared to even mention
Sex.
penises and then vagina. Like, what are we even
Exactly.
talking about?
Period भन्न लाज
Yes.
लाग्छ हामी स्यानिटरी न्यापकिन
Yes.
पत्रिकामा ऱ्याप गरेर लिएर
दिन्छ।
आउँछ के
यो पार्ट चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै I get extremely annoyed यो
They
मा चाहिँ
ask me ऱ्याप गर्छ
Exactly.
I'm
No.
going to carry it. I am proud that I'm leading.
True, I do the same. I'm like why in the world would I want to hide my sanitary napkins? It's gonna go down there. Everybody knows it.
And funny thing is the packets are almost bright neon or bright orange.
Yeah. So funny.
Anyways, yeah, so त्यो थाहा हुँदैन कि अनि अहिलेको जेनेरेसनले हाउ डु दे लर्न अबाउट सेक्स थाहा छ दे गो टु पोर्न साइट्स एन्ड द्याट्स वाट सेक्स इज फर देम के वेयर अ म्यान इज अलवेज डोमिनेटिङ अ वुमन के
Yes. A woman is always subservient.
या सो क्याटेगोरिज हुन्छ के पोर्न साइट्समा एन्ड देन दे आर अल अफेन्सिभ इन so many different ways and that is what sex is for the new generation के बुझ्यो so what are we leading our society towards what's happening either we need to change it हामी modern भइरहेछौँ but there's this big hollow के एउटा gap छ के in between
That is the gap I really want to deep into. Okay?
exactly we are modern we go to clubs this and
Yes.
that but do you think everyone knows what a real sex should look like कसलाई थाहा छ के a blow job is normal के नेपालमा not just in Nepal in the world ke I'm just saying like I'm sorry I'm getting into these topics but
No,
it's
but we have to.
important it's
Yes.
important I love you so you need
To have sex with me. You need to sleep with me.
sleep with me and you need to let me do everything that's happening
In
in
the porn. Yes.
and that's so wrong ke
That is so wrong. Porn isn't reality, guys. You have to know that. it isn't real. Like why do we even... I mean, I can't even question that because, of course, sex education is high, so they're going to land up in this pornography sites and all, and that's how they learn also. But that isn't real. It isn't real.
if it feels weird it's weird okay